An interesting question was posted in the Moodle.org forums, and one student, one course. Basically, what I took from this was that the user is looking for a more personalized learning experience for each one of the students. So you might have one area where you have common resources for the entire class, but then each student has their own topic or their own set of assignments, instructions, things of that nature. So let's take a look at how Moodle can make this happen. I've set up this course right here, and basically just to kind of make this work, what we've done is we have one topic for everyone, and then each student in the class gets their own topic, and as long as you don't have any students with the same last name, you could set the restrictions just on their last name. But for this example, I did both the first name and the last name. And let me just show you what it looks like when I switch my role to a student. So I switch my role to a student, and now I see the classroom resources and my set of activities. So let's take a look now at how did I accomplish that. So basically what you want to do is use course restrictions. And for each student that comes into your course, you would then have to create a new topic. And let's just do that now. And then you would give it a name. New student. And the only tricky part to this is setting restrict access. So what you would want to do is there's a lot of ways you can restrict this. You could do it by groups, you could do it by grades, all kinds of different things. And Moodle is very, very powerful with these course restrictions. But what we're going to use for this example is user profile. And you can do it by last name is equal to, and I'm just going to use mine, Kenneberg. And here is the trick to hiding it. What you want to do is click this little eyeball right here. And what that does is if your last name isn't Kenneberg, it's going to hide it from you. And that's how you achieve the effect of each student only seeing their own topics. So again, let's switch my role to a student. And now I see the two topics that have that are allowing me access. So that is how you can create a personalized learning experience for the student, as well as allow classroom interactions. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.